last episode, we looked at if and else. These allowed us to test a binary condition, one that's true or false, and to do one thing when they're true and another when they're false. But not all conditions are binary in nature. Sometimes there are more than two possibilities, such as if I were to ask the day of the week. So, those times I need a switch statement. And what I'd like you to do is go out to W3 Schools, to the JavaScript tutorial, and take a look at their webpage on switch. Meanwhile, let's look at a program that I wrote. This program, or webpage, if you will, asks the question, what's for dinner tonight? And we use the day of the week to determine what's on the menu. So I need to get the day. So I declare a variable, D, equal to the new date function. Then I have another variable that I declare called the day. And it's equal to D dot get day function. Now what that does is get a day of the week, an integer. 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, and so on, all the way through 6 for Saturday. Okay? Then I come down into my switch statement. Now, this is a long statement, many lines, so bear with me. It begins with switch, and then within parentheses, the variable that I'm testing. Then everything else in my switch statement is enclosed within brackets. They begin here and go all the way down here. So you can see it's a rather large statement. So I start testing for cases. Case 2 would be when the day is equal to 2, which would be Tuesday. If that's the case, I'm going to write out a heading that says tuna casserole Tuesday. Okay? This statement, break, takes us out of the switch statement. We're done. We don't need to test any further. Now, if the case is not 2, we'll go on and see if it's 4, which would be for Thursday. Notice I'm skipping a few days here. On Thursday, we would write out a heading of meatloaf for Thursday and then break out of our switch statement. Now, if it's not 4, we'll continue on and test for 5, which is Friday. If it is 5, I'll print out fish fry. Friday is my heading and break out. But if it's not, I continue on. I test for 6, which is Saturday. And if it is 6, I'll print out spaghetti Saturday as my heading and then break out. But if it's not 2, 4, 5, or 6, I'll go on and test for 0, which is Sunday. And if it is Sunday, I'll write out chicken dinner on Sunday and then break out. Now, we skip some possibilities. 1 for Monday and 3 for Wednesday. If none of the cases above are true, then we go down to the default and we would print out leftovers tonight. And that ends our switch statement. Now, let's see how it worked. Let's minimize that. And let's open up my JavaScript course folder. And there is my program, the one in blue, or my web page. Let's click on it. Meatloaf for Thursday. And in fact, folks, it is Thursday, and I just finished a wonderful slice of meatloaf for my dinner. the switch statement, which is sometimes referred to as case logic. It's not that difficult to work with, so give it a try. I think you'll find it useful. See ya.